I'd like to stress to all the residents across New South Wales that you should make yourself aware of the zone you're in. Effectively, we have the regional area, we have the Greater Sydney area, and then we have the northern part of the northern beaches and the southern part of the northern beaches. Each one has different requirements. I want to stress that the requirements are based on our health advice from Dr. Chant and her public health team. They're designed to keep us safe. They're not designed to be restrictive. They're designed to just make sure that we're all safe and we're keeping our families and our friends and our community safe. So please familiarise yourself with the restrictions that apply to your particular area. For the northern beaches, can I say that obviously as a local, I want to emphasise that it is so important to the residents of the northern zone and the southern zone that they keep within their zones. It is crucial that you do not leave those areas unless you really have to and unless it's authorised by the public health orders. Can I say, even if it is authorised by the public health orders, unless it's crucial, don't move out of the zone, stay in the zone. One of the factors that's been raised with me is that some people in the northern zone think that they can go shopping in the southern zone. Well, technically you might be able to. Practically, it is extremely dangerous for you to do that in the current situation. So my request, my imploring to residents of the northern part of the northern beaches is go shopping locally, shop locally. You've got plenty of shops there. You've got Warriewood Square for the bigger requirements, but you can certainly get everything you need north of Narrabeen Bridge. For those in the southern zone of the northern beaches, again, you've got shops locally everywhere. You've got also the major Warringah Mall. If you're looking for fish, you can go where I go to, go down to Harris Farm at North Manly, but stay in your zone. You do not need to get out of the zone. I want to stress that New Year's Eve is going to look a little bit different for residents, particularly on the northern beaches, but as the Premier has indicated, there will be some capacity to have some people come to your house, 5, including children, in the northern part of the northern beaches and 10 in the southern part of the northern beaches. Many of us who would be having friends around might be thinking about doing the cooking or the food preparation ourselves. I would encourage you to think about if there are businesses in your local area that are going to provide takeaway, think about getting a takeout for New Year's Eve, because there will be businesses hopefully that will see the opportunity to be able to not just give takeaway coffees and what have you, but also look at what they were doing in previous periods in the phase that we've had this last year, and that is providing takeaway food. So I encourage businesses to think about that. That is, make available takeaway food for New Year's Eve and the celebrations surrounding that. But also I encourage locals to think about getting I suppose the takeout message is get some takeout. If the local businesses are providing it, that will keep our local businesses supported. Finally, I want to say this. 1 January, I have spent time with our tracing teams, and the frustration that they have in not being able to track who has been where is just enormous. That puts us all at risk. As of 1 January, all businesses are required to have the Service New South Wales QR code. I want to stress that you have a quieter period right now to get on to doing that, and you need to do it. Quite apart from anything else, even if you don't want to do it out of goodwill, there is a $5,000 fine attached if you don't have those Service New South Wales QR codes by the 1st of January. So I stress both from the sense of goodwill and fellowship to your community, get it done, Service New South Wales QR code, but if you're not so inclined to be that way, then there's a $5,000 fine on the back of it. So please get on with that right now. Thank you.